Question 23. In an auditorium, the number of rows bars equal to the number of seats in each row. If the number of rows is doubled, the number of seats in each row is reduced by 5. Then the total number of seats increased by 375. How many rows were there? Let the number of row is equal to x. Number of seats in each row is equal to x. Total number of seats is equal to x into x, that is equal to x square. According to question, if the number of rows is doubled, 2x, the number of seats in each row is reduced by 5. Number of seats x minus 5 reduced by 5 equal to, then the total number of seats is increased by, total number of seats, that is x square, is increased by 375. According to question, if the number of rows is doubled, the number of seats in each row is reduced, means minus less, x minus 5 is reduced by 5. Number of seats, that is x minus 5, is equal to total number of seats is increased by, total number of seats is x square, is increased by plus 375. 2x into x, that is equal to 2x square, minus 5 2s are 10x, equal to x square plus 375. This is shifting left side, that is 2x raised to power 2 minus x square minus 10x minus 375 equal to 0, which implies 2x square minus x square is equal to x raised to power 2 minus 10x minus 375 equal to 0. And we are factorizing, splitting middle term, 375x square, product equal to 375x square, and prime factors of 375, that is equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, and 5 25, 5 5 5 1, 5 5s are 25 and 5 3s are 15. X raised to power 2 minus 25x plus 15x minus 375 equal to 0. Minus 25x plus 15x equal to minus 10x. 25 minus 15, that is 10x. And 25 15s are 375x square, which implies x is taking common, in bracket x minus 25, in bracket x minus 25, and common is plus 15. X minus 25, one root, x plus 15 other root equal to 0, which implies x minus 25 equal to 0 or x plus 15 equal to 0. Then x is equal to 25 or x is equal to minus 15. So number of rows equal to 25. Answer. Question 24. At an annual function of a school, each student gives gift to every other student. If the number of gifts is 1980, find the number of students. Solution. Let the number of students is equal to x and number of gifts is equal to gift every other students. Number of gifts is equal to x minus 1. Each student gives gift to every other students, that is x minus 1. Number of gifts given is equal to x minus 1. If the number of gifts is 1980, according to question, if x into x minus 1 is equal to 1980, and this is a quadratic equation, x square x into minus 1, that is x minus 1980 equal to 0, and we are splitting by middle term, that is 1980 x square negative, and 1980 prime factors of 1980 is 2, 2, 3. Three, 5, 11, 11, 1. That is 3 3s are 9, 5s are 45, 11 2s are 22, 2s are 44. Yes, that is x raised to power 2 minus 45x plus 44x minus 1980 is equal to 0. 45 minus 44, that is equal to 1. So we are taking common x in bracket x minus 45, and other bracket x minus 45 plus 44 is common equal to 0. X plus 44 and x minus 45 equal to 0. X equal to minus 44 and x is equal to 45. So number of students is equal to 45. Answer. Let the number of rows equal to x and the number of seats in each row equal to x. The number of rows bars equal to the number of seats in each row. If number of row is x, that is equal to number of seats. Number of seats will be x. Total number of seats, that is x into x, that is x square. And according to question, if the number of rows is doubled, number of rows is rows is doubled, number of seats each row is reduced by number of rows, that is x is reduced by 5, x minus 5. Then the total number of seats is x square is increased by 375. It's according to question, and we are multiplying 2x into x, that is 2x square minus 5 2 are 10x, that is equal to x square plus 375. We are shifting right in left, this will be negative, and 2x square minus x square, 2x square minus x square, that is equal to x square minus 10x minus 375 equal to 0, and it's a quadratic equation, that is x square minus 10x minus 375 equal to 0. The product of first and last equal to minus 375 x square, and we are taking two numbers, that is minus 25x plus 15x, 25x minus 15x, 5 3 are 15. There 25 minus 15, that is minus 10x, and 25 into 25x into 15x, that is minus 375x square. So we are taking common 1x in bracket x minus 25, bracket x minus 25, and 15 is common. One root is x plus x minus 25, other root is x plus 15 equal to 0. Either x minus 25 equal to 0 or x plus 15 equal to 0. X is equal to 25 or x is not equal to 15. So number of rows equal to 25, answer. And question 24, let the find the number of students. Let the number of students be x, and number of gifts, that is x minus 1. At an annual function of a school, a student gives gift to every other student. The number of gifts given, that is x minus 1. X minus 1. According to question, if the number of gifts is 1980, then their product will be 1980, x square minus x minus, this is shifting left side, and this will be negative 1980 equal to 0. We are factorizing the product of first and last is equal to minus 1980 x square. So prime factors of 1980 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 11. 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45, and 11 2s are 22, 22 2s are 44. We are taking minus 40x, 45x plus 44x. Minus 45x plus 44x, that is equal to minus x, and their product will be minus 1980 x square. We are taking common x in bracket x minus 45 plus 44 common, x minus 45 in bracket equal to 0. X plus 44, one root other root, x minus 45 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 44, x equal to positive 45. So the number of students equal to 45, answer. Thank you.